everyone, it's Rachel here at Lasting Impressions, Gifts in Manotick, and today I wanted to share with you some information about an exciting event that we have coming up in store on October 27th from 5 p.m. till 7 p.m. This will be an exclusive event which you will need to purchase a ticket to attend. Tickets can be purchased online at ligonline.ca or through us here in the store. So what the evening will entail is a collection of meditation rings. We will be bringing in an extensive collection of new designs, new styles, both men's styles and ladies' styles, as well as some of their new bangles. And I can't wait to see the bangles because they look absolutely stunning online. Each piece, if you're not familiar with the meditation rings, they are sterling silver. They are handcrafted by artisans in Israel and Bali. Each ring has a spinner on it, or a portion that spins. Some have multiple spinners. But the spinning of the band, it's actually based on the Tibetan prayer wheel. And by just spinning it a few turns, will promote a sense of calm and peace. And as we all know, everybody can use a little bit of that in their lives. So the evening, like I say, we'll be bringing in an extensive collection of rings for you to look at and try on. We will also be having some special sampling and appetizers for the evening, as well as each ticket holder that attends will be given a gift for attending as a thank you for coming. And as well, if you purchase $199 pre-tax in the meditation ring collection, that evening you are eligible to take home a free chakra ring, which is absolutely gorgeous. This is one of my favorites for meditation ring. It's simple but elegant, and we will have those in store as well for you to take a look at that evening. So again, it will be really fun, a nice elegant evening. Maybe get started on some Christmas shopping, maybe start a wish list for yourself. And again, the information is up online at ligonline.ca. Or feel free to give us a call or stop on by the store and see the ones that we have in store, and just ask the staff about some more information. But again, there will be limited attendance, limited spots for the evening. So if you're interested at all, please don't hesitate and reach out to us for more information. Thanks so much.